In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up a workspace in Smartsheet. Backing up your workspace is an important habit, especially if you're managing critical projects, timelines, or shared resources. A backup gives you a safety net, so if something gets changed or deleted by mistake, you'll have a copy you can go back to later. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Smartsheet account. First, make sure you're logged into Smartsheet and looking at the home screen or your left-hand navigation panel. On the left side, you'll see an area called Workspaces. This is where all of your shared project spaces live. Go ahead and click on the workspace that you want to back up. When you select it, you should see all the sheets, reports, and dashboards that belong to that workspace. Next, move your cursor over the workspace name. You'll notice a small icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu, appear next to it. Click on those 3 dots. This menu is where Smartsheet keeps additional actions and settings that aren't shown by default, including the backup option. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Backup Now and click on it. This tells Smartsheet that you want to create a backup of everything inside that workspace. Depending on the size of your workspace, this may include multiple sheets and other items, so it can take a little time in the background. After you click Backup Now, Smartsheet will guide you with on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to confirm the backup location and format, and sometimes you might see an option for how often you want backups to occur if scheduling is available for your plan. Carefully read each prompt and confirm your choices. If you're ever unsure, a good default is to accept the suggested settings and proceed. Then adjust your preferences later once you're comfortable with the process. Once the backup is set and has finished processing, it's a good idea to decide who needs access to that backup or to the workspace where it's stored. To do that, go back to your workspace view and click on the Share button. This opens the sharing panel where you can review who currently has access and adjust permissions if needed. Be intentional about who can view, edit, or manage your backed up content, especially if the workspace contains sensitive or important information. And that's it. By clicking on your workspace, using the 3-dot menu to choose Backup Now, following the on-screen prompts, and then reviewing the share settings, you'll have a reliable backup of your Smartsheet workspace ready whenever you need it.